Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm super excited. I have a few of the new warmers for Christmas from the holiday collection that I'm going to unbox. Super excited. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So I'm really excited. I got a few of the warmers that I've been waiting on. And you guys, take a good look because the next time you see this, it's going to be Christmas. I know, it's not even Halloween yet, Vicki. I know, I get it. I get it. But I decorated for Christmas on August 1st. And so I need a change. I like change. You guys know me. I like to change it up. So that's what we're going to do, okay? So I'm also going to do a video of me actually doing it. I'll just have background music. There's just going to be some music and it'll be going fast. I'm going to speed it up so that you can kind of see it, all right? So that'll be in the next video. All right, you guys, so let's see which one I'm going to start with. Okay, I'm going to start with this one first. This one is Rejoice, and I'm so here for it. I got this one a few days ago, maybe a week ago, and I've been waiting to really do an unboxing on it because I wanted to have the other two as well. So let's go ahead and open it up. Now, when you get your mini warmers, you get your little pamphlet. You get this, which is like a little grommet. You need to use this, okay? It keeps it in there nice and tight. You get your bulb, which is a 15-watt bulb. Now, the cool thing is we sell colored bulbs, and I'm going to show you what this warmer looks like with colored bulbs, okay? Then you also get your plug-in part, right? It's like a nightlight type of style, okay? So now this grommet, let's open it up. Actually, I'm going to use scissors because for some reason it never tears right. Okay, so we're going to use scissors, okay? Now, it's important that you use this because sometimes with these ceramic warmers, they're heavier and they need support or they'll look a little floppy, and we don't want a floppy warmer. So you just put that ring on there, right? Plug in, put in your light bulb. Now, this is the on-off switch. And this button right here, this is really cool. Not everybody's outlets are vertical. Some of them are horizontal. So you obviously need this sitting upright and not like this. That wouldn't hold enough wax to, well, it would make a mess basically. So this is what you use this for, okay? This little button so that your warmer is sitting just like this. But now, let's see. Let's go ahead and get this out. I love this warmer. I have the larger size as well, which is called Night Divine. This one is Rejoice. I'm going to actually leave these out. So we're going to put that stuff back in. And this is the warmer, okay? But I'm going to show you what it looks like plugged in. Isn't that beautiful? All the way around, okay? So now, what you do is you put this. It has little notches. Fits perfectly in there, okay? And then you just turn it, and boom, there's your warmer. Well, you also have another option, okay? It's called a tabletop base. And you need to know whether your warmer is glass or ceramic because they are different. So we're going to go ahead and put this away. And we're going to put this away because this is a tabletop base, okay? And so I'm going to use this other box to show you because it's up kind of high. So you put your light bulb in there, all right? And now you stick your warmer on there. Okay. So now let's go ahead and turn it on. Do I have this on? I think I do. 1, 2, and 3. Isn't that spectacular? Like, look at the detail on that warmer all the way around. Isn't that beautiful? A little town of Bethlehem. So it has, oh, I love on this side, it has the sheep, and it has, I think, a donkey, yeah, a sheep, a donkey, a goat, and the camel. And then on this side, it has one of the wise men. It doesn't have all 3, just this guy. And actually, it has 3 wise men right here, too. That's really cool. So it's just beautiful. It's beautiful. And there's baby Jesus. Baby Jesus. Okay, so love, love, but there's options. Now, personally, I like this with the clear bulb, but just to show you, I have 4 additional bulb colors that we're going to try. We're going to try blue, red, purple, and green. And maybe you want to put a different color. I don't know, up to you. But this also is to show you for other warmers as well. You know what I mean? Obviously, it's all whatever you want because you're the boss. Applesauce. All right, so we got the red going. 1, 2, and 3. So there's red. Okay. Show you all the way around. I still like the clear, but you may choose red. All right. So let's go ahead and take this one off. And then we are going to go with the green. We're going to go with the green. All right. So here is green. All right. 1, 2, and 3. It's actually really pretty in green. I like it in green. Looks good. Pretty. But I always choose green. I love the green. But I don't really do colored bulbs so much for Christmas. I don't know. I just like a clear bulb for Christmas. Okay, the next one's purple. If you follow me, you know I'm not impressed with our purple bulbs. You probably won't see anything. You probably won't see anything. No. So the only thing I see is through the back. You see purple. But our purple bulbs are not very bright. They're dark. They're like, to me, they're like almost like a black light bulb. So not a fan of the purple. And then now we have blue. Blue's often really pretty too. I just always seem to gravitate towards the blue or the green when I'm doing colored bulbs. Yeah, that's pretty. This is pretty. This is something I would do. I'm not going to because in my living room, I'm going very muted colors. And this is eventually going to go in my living room when I decorate for Christmas, which I'm going to wait for that, for the living room, probably November 1st. But yeah, this is beautiful. It does look good with blue. Let me show my friends. Look at the blue. I'm not talking to them right now. They're I'm on a Zoom with my friends. We're on a Work It Wednesday. So yeah, the blue's pretty. Okay. So that is the warmer. I'm going to go ahead and put the clear back in so you can see it one last time. And then we are going to open up another warmer. Okay. I almost turned it on without the warmer. Oh, you guys, I'm crazy. All right, 1, 2, and 3. That's just so pretty. That is so pretty. I just love it. Baby Jesus. And how cute is this stand, right? So these stands are sold separately. They're called tabletop base, sold separately, and they are $15. But I think it's $15 well spent. All right, so the next one we are going to do is we're going to do the Be Jolly. Now, I have this in full size, and it's one of my favorite warmers. I love it. It's so stinking cute. So as soon as I saw it in mini, I was like, oh, I got to get it. I got to get it. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. Same thing. You got your paperwork. I'm going to keep this bulb so I don't have to keep unwrapping new bulbs. I'm just going to leave it. And you have all your stuff, which we're not going to use right now because we're going to just use the tabletop base. Okay. I'm so excited about this warmer. It's so cute. Oh, it's even cuter in person. You guys, I swear, I am so obsessed with Scentsy. They come up with the cutest stuff. All right, so again, this one is Be Jolly. And there he is. Look at his cheeks. He's so stinking cute. He's cute. And then his hands and his arms are like behind him. And that's where the wax goes. Now, I think to get a cotton cleanup in here would be very difficult and would probably make a mess. I would definitely just use cotton balls for this guy, right? Which I always buy them at the... Anytime I go to the 99-cent store, I grab cotton balls because I get warmers sometimes that are just better like this. But he is so stinking cute. So we're going to light him up. We aren't going to use the different color bulbs because the only place that you would see it is in the back. Okay, and so this is where it'll reflect off the wall. So I'll just show you that just so you can see. All right, so he's on the base. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So you see little light coming out the back. All right, so he's not going to be one that's going to give you a ton of light. If you want a lot of light, you're going to want a glass warmer. But yeah, he's cute. He is so stinking cute. All right, so there he is, and there's no reason for us to do the other bulbs because you can't see it. It's just going to come out of the back, and we don't need that. So okay, the next one we're going to do is another one that was a full size, and not only are they selling the full size, which I have, but now we have the mini, and it's the gnome. Gnome for the holidays. So stinking cute. So let's go ahead and open him up. Same thing. He comes with all the same stuff. We're just going to take that out because we just want to see the gnome. I'm going to put that back in because these are going to be going up. All right. So let's go ahead. And he's glass, whereas the full-size warmer is metal. He's a metal warmer. All right. So look at that guy. He's so stinking cute. Now, he is built exactly the same as the Be Jolly. So you're only going to get light from these little ones in the back, okay? And the wax is going to go there. So cute. So let's go ahead and see what he looks like on a tabletop base. And again, they already come with the one that plugs into the wall like a nightlight. All right, so 1, 2, and 3. You guys, he's so stinking cute. He is so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, you guys, he's adorable. So hello, Vicki, get it together. That was my video. So I got those 3 warmers. I'm excited. I already had like a bunch of the warmers that were, and I'll drop that video below where I go through the holiday collection because I showed all of those warmers that I already had that are in the collection and available. So I'll drop that in the description, okay? So let me know what you think. My link will be down below. And that's it for now. I hope you're having a great week, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.